Hello to everyone and a very good evening. So really to recap what we've seen today, and the headline event there was the FOMC rate decision and press conference. So completely as expected, the Fed did keep their rate unchanged at 0.25%, but we saw a bit of a surprise in terms of commentary from the FOMC. They said they are to buy MBSs of around $40 billion worth per month. That's open-ended, and they're also going to keep Operation Twist operating as normal until the year end, so where they sell in the short end and buy in the longer end. No tweak to that, and as such we saw an aggressive move to the downside in terms of treasuries, particularly in the T-note, and that's as there was some expectation of large-scale buying of treasuries, and there was even some expectation of perhaps stopping sales in the short end and just buying in the long end, therefore unsterilising and effective QE. So we did see the sell-off and pressure coming in there to the fixed. But in terms of equity markets, we saw the opposite. So we saw an aggressive move to the upside with this announcement of QE3 from Fed Chairman Bernanke. We saw some aggressive weakening in the dollar index as they announced large-scale asset buys. And also we saw upside in terms of gold, and we often see that on the release of QE. Now, since then, we have still traded around highs in equity markets. We did see a bit of pairing in terms of T-notes, and that's with the Bernanke press conference indicating that buying of treasuries is not completely off the table. We've also seen they are to keep exceptionally low rates until mid-2015, so extending their guidance from late 2014, but more in line with an advancing calendar, so not too much attention paid to that. And we've also seen Bernanke sort of sidestep comments in the Q&A, people asking when they'll finish the MBS purchases, as they have left that open-ended. He just says when the economy does start to recover, so really not giving any indication there. So apart from that, that has been the headline driver today, likely to spill over into tomorrow. But for the time being, that's enough from me. Hope you have a great evening, and we'll rejoin you tomorrow.